shifter, and I believe this is the actual gear shifter. Now, whether the scale model is going to be automatic, which it appears to be since there's no clutch, I believe this is the actual gear shifter. The one they're calling the gear shift in this issue, it's actually the handle for the afterburner, the thruster afterburner. Head over to Brickscale Studio and check out the full build video. And while you're there, head down into the comments and let me know what you think about this 2-gear shift, manual transmission, automatic transmission situation. And also check out a ton of LEGO reviews, the Titanic, and Generation 1 Optimus Prime.